Alicia. So yeah, the deer are taking advantage of the newly cut branches. So obviously they left this stuff up here because they probably only 4 o'clock or something, but a little after. They got the trees down, but they're going to come back obviously and chip this stuff up. Here's the other dead tree was. Yeah, it looks so much better now. The house can breathe. These limbs are all off of it. There's a bunch more they got to chip up. So that one big oak, it was here. They're not huge, but it's taking up a lot of room there and pressing against the house. More wood there. And here's where those 3 big ones were here. And another one down here by the air conditioner. They were hanging right over the house, so they're all gone. They trimmed that one. Sure smells, oak, fresh cut oak smells good. So like I say, all off of the house. If I can make it down here. These limbs off on this side. You got it off the house. And here, there's nothing more. More of the house. Trim these all back. Trim that one up. Took all these limbs off here. And back around.